Hey guys, Thunder E here and welcome to another battle vid. Now this one is between the LG V40 ThinQ, the iPhone XS Max, the Galaxy Note 9, and the LG G7 ThinQ to find out who has the loudest speaker on a smartphone. Now in this battle vid, we're going to be using a song which we've used in other battle vids which we've done, and definitely go check them out. Basically, it's a song Far Away. It's a copyright-free music. Now, the G7 ThinQ has won the last two battle vids that we have, and I've got to say, it's going to be tough competition to see anyone beat it. Now, the closest competitor most likely is the V40 ThinQ. It's got the same boombox speaker as the G7 ThinQ, and it also has some improved audio in terms of just balance and sound. Now, the iPhone XS Max has stereo speakers, and Apple has stepped up its game this year, while the Galaxy Note 9 also comes in with stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos. So let's go ahead, jump in, and see how it all fares. Now, mind you, one more thing, we will test it in boombox mode. So basically, we'll place all devices on top of a box to amplify the sound, and we'll see how also they compete there as well. So let's jump in and find out. All right, guys, you've seen the results, and clear winner, still at number one in terms of just being the loudest speaker on a smartphone, is the LG G7 ThinQ. Now, the LG V40 ThinQ comes in at a close second, and the iPhone XS Max comes in third, while the Galaxy Note 9 is fourth within this race. Now, you can see the decibel levels of each of these devices, but the LG G7 ThinQ and the V40 ThinQ are pretty much the loudest speakers here. Now, when we place both of them, all of them on a box to amplify the sound, the LG G7 ThinQ wins again, but the V40 ThinQ comes in a close second, with the LG G7 ThinQ coming at 112.2 decibels, while the V40 ThinQ comes at 112.1 decibels, while the iPhone comes in here at third with 108 decibels, and the Galaxy Note 9 has some more amplifications up to about 105 decibels. So there you have it. LG wins again as a whole. They have the loudest speakers on the market. Now, this is not a test to say who has the best speaker or the best sounding speaker on the market. It's all about who has the loudest. And right now, it's the G7 ThinQ followed by the V40 ThinQ. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions or any comments, let us know. If you think it's not fair, sure, leave your comments down below. If you've done a test like this or you want me to try something else, let me know and I'll try to do that for you. Otherwise, go ahead and like and share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit the notification bell to get notified of latest videos, and check out more content here at Boored at Work. People are honking. This is Thunder E saying thank you and always enjoy the entertainment.